Want a brighter smile using a simple household item? Baking soda might be your answer. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild abrasive that can help remove surface stains from your teeth. Here's how to use it safely. First, gather your supplies: baking soda, water, and your toothbrush. Mix about a quarter teaspoon of baking soda with a quarter teaspoon of water to create a paste. Dip your toothbrush into the paste, ensuring it's coated evenly. Brush your teeth gently with this paste for about 1 to 2 minutes. Focus on areas with staining, but avoid harsh scrubbing, which can damage enamel. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove all residue. How often should you do this? Most experts recommend doing this treatment only once or twice a week. Using it too often can erode enamel and damage your teeth. Speaking of precautions, baking soda is abrasive. If you have sensitive teeth, gum disease, or braces, consult your dentist before trying this. Always use a gentle hand and stop if you experience any pain or discomfort. So, what results can you expect? Baking soda primarily removes surface stains caused by food and drinks like coffee, tea, or wine. It won't change the natural color of your teeth or work on deep stains. You might notice minor improvements in brightness after a few weeks of consistent, gentle use. Significant changes are unlikely, and professional treatments are far more effective for dramatic whitening. In summary, baking soda can be a gentle, natural way to lift surface stains if used correctly and infrequently. Remember to prioritize your dental health and consult a professional if you have concerns. Give it a try and see if it works for you. And always follow up with your dentist.